In this video, you'll learn how to turn on the night light feature on your Google Pixel 9. By the end of this guide, you will be able to activate and schedule night light to enhance your viewing experience during the evening hours. Begin by unlocking your Google Pixel 9 and locating the Settings app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once the Settings app is open, scroll down the list of options until you reach the section labeled Display. Tapping on Display will take you to the menu where you can manage various screen features, confirm that you are in the display settings before moving on. Next, look for the option titled Night Light within the display settings. Once you find it, tap on Night Light to access its controls. You will see a toggle button that allows you to turn the feature on. By switching this toggle to the bomb position, your screen will immediately shift to warmer colors, which helps reduce eye strain during nighttime usage. With Night Light now active, you can enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience. After activating Night Light, you may want to set a schedule to turn on automatically at specific times. To do this, look for the scheduling options within the Night Light settings. You can choose to have it activate from sunset to sunrise or set a custom time that fits your routine. This scheduling feature ensures that Night Light operates daily without requiring manual adjustments. Make any necessary changes to the timing settings to suit your preferences before finalizing the setup. Once you have configured the schedule, your Night Light setup is complete. You can always return to the display settings if you wish to make adjustments in the future. Remember that utilizing this feature not only enhances your comfort, but also promotes better sleep patterns by minimizing blue light exposure during the evening hours. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.